Well, a Carmel-based startup says recent clinical trial results for its medical technology are even better than expected and deliver a critical boost toward the goal line. Business of Health reporter Kylie Valletta is here with more. Kylie.
Thank you very much, Gary. Fast BioMedical says a vital piece of information is missing when doctors must make decisions about patients in hospital critical care settings. The startup's technology measures a patient's blood volume, or the amount of blood flowing through the circulatory system. Fast BioMedical Chief Executive Officer Joe Muldoon joins me now to tell us about the company's recent progress and what's next. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So we mentioned your technology measures blood volume. What type of conditions does that piece of information help address?
The patient sweet spot for us out of the gate will be those patients with heart failure, kidney failure, going in for major surgery where we know they're going to lose a lot of blood, and going in for an organ transplant.
And prior to your technology, you've mentioned it was very challenging, if not impossible, to even get this measurement, right?
Exactly. This is first-in-class technology. It's an innovation, not an iteration.
So your technology combines an injectable and a device. Tell us how it's better than current methods.
What I think's most interesting about what we're doing is there's not a way to do it today, even though physicians have been asking for it for well over a decade. So if you went into the hospital today, they're going to be trying to assess your blood volume, and they'll do that by taking a bunch of other surrogate measurements of different things, putting them together and using them to approximate what your volume level is. It's not what they want. What they want is a precise measurement that's easy to use, that they can get quickly, and we think we're going to be the first ones to deliver on that.
And you've had some great momentum lately, very positive clinical trial results. Tell us the significance of those results and what kind of traction it's giving your startup.
We're very excited. It's phase 2 data. It's notable because most medical technologies and even pharmaceutical innovations never make it through a phase 2 trial successfully. We did. The data are very good, so good that they've been picked up now by 2 separate peer-reviewed medical journals and published, and that has created a lot of interesting conversations for us. What we were able to demonstrate in phase 2 is that our technology is safe, it works in a wide variety of patients with different levels of function, and it gives precise measurements repeatably.
Great. And it can be tough to raise capital. Your company has raised $31 million. How have you done it?
It's the toughest thing we do. We were very blessed to get the support of the entire life sciences investment community early, which has been key. And then we were very fortunate to meet up with some ultra-high net worth single-family office investors. These are families that traditionally gave capital to venture capital funds and now have peeled off some direct capital for allocations. These were ones with deep life sciences expertise, and the best thing about single-family offices is they attract each other. Mm-hmm. So as you do well with a couple, it's attracted a few more.
Oh, fantastic. So you've had a lot of momentum lately. What's next?
We're focused on 2 things. One of the opportunities that came up from our phase 2 data is we were approached by some leading physician investigators out of Germany, and they wanted to use our technology to do a heart failure trial. So we've embarked on a heart failure trial in Germany. It's a 50-patient trial, and as of yesterday, we already have 34 of those patients enrolled. And
when will those results be available?
We hope to dose the last patient June or July, so it'll be probably the fall of this year.
And one interesting thing I don't think we've touched on about your technology yet is the turnaround time, which is short.
Very short for blood volume. We take a timed blood draw at 15 minutes and can have results in 30 to 45 minutes.
Really important in those critical care settings. Good luck moving forward.
Thank you.
Thanks for being here.